Museful creations, come and see, crafted with joy soulfully.
Hi friends, it's Betsy from Museful Creations. A huge thank you to Tracie Fox for the opportunity to join this year's December Daily Collab. I truly admire how she supports and uplifts creators in our community. The kit is linked below, and today I'm sharing something a little different. My videos are shorter and more structured because I love designing with movement, pieces that open, slide, and surprise. This is my interactive tag for day 21, used on the cover of the second December Daily Junk Journal for days 9 through 31, along with a quick peek at my One-Hole Accordion Tagbook for days 1 through 8. I used Tracie's Festive Dispatch Ephemera Kit. Let's get started. I'm using elements from the Festive Dispatch Ephemera Kit, but you can use whatever you have in your stash. I literally cannot cut straight lines. A very important correction. I've never done this mechanism before, and you'll need to make sure that you draw a line from the bottom up a ½ inch and then draw a straight line, and you'll see why it's important that you do this. Next, you're going to take the 4 pictures that you cut out and apply them with glue of choice on the bottom of each tag that you've already cut that rectangle center. And then you're also going to take those mini tabs and attach them in consecutive order. And I use brads. You don't have to, you can use just glue. This hinge here is a throwback I've had since the early 2000s. Remember those Making Memories metal hinges? Yep, still going strong. It connects the bottom panel to the envelope, which actually pulls in and out, as you'll see here. And I used a faux postcard, but you can, include your journaling, prayer, or a hidden message. I just love when a tag has a secret element to it. And here's how the mechanism will work. You take your 4 tags and you will slip them in between the front panel and the base, and then you will pull one at a time, and you'll see the picture that you cut earlier, or it could be a personal picture of choice. And I really love that stamped message. There's always something to be thankful for. Everyone's doing tags differently this year. I wanted mine to feel like a little Christmas delivery scene full of movement and memories. Thanks again to Tracie, and don't forget to visit the other creators in this December daily collaboration. And if you like what you've seen, I would appreciate that you subscribe, of course, share, and hope to see you again in another video. Take care.